Say it isn't so. Ed Sheeran might be going down an altogether different route on his fourth studio album after 3 successful pop records, because he's worried that carrying on this trajectory will be dangerous. The Perfect Singer plans on surprising fans on his follow-up to last year's record-breaking album Divide, and he's not worried if it isn't as commercially successful as his third studio effort. The flame-haired sensation outright said that his next record that he's making will not be a pop album, and he wants to love it. The star admits that ditching his pop sound isn't popular with the record label Atlanta Records, but he's made his mind up.